Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing 3 of the doubles packs for Spin Master Monster Jam Series 28. So I've got 3 of the 4 here. I found them at a Target in California while I was on vacation. And the packaging on it did get a little messed up on the flight home, but it's fine because I'm going to be opening them. But so here they are. We've got Gravedigger versus Max D, Megalodon versus Hooked. Sorry about that. And Lumberjack versus Axe. Sorry about that, but those are the 3 packs. And then I'm going to start with Gravedigger and Max D. So here they are, part of Series 28. And if we look at the back, the ones in the series is obviously the 3 that I found. And the one with 2 Sparkle Smashes. So there's the regular Sparkle Smash and a new pickup truck style, which I'm hoping to find, but I didn't find it. So got these 3. And I'm going to start with this one just because it's my least favorite out of all of them. And let's open it. Okay, so here they are. So I'm going to start with Max D. So these are actually both pretty light. I don't think there's any metal part of them, like in the chassis. So it's a regular Max D body. So there's that. But then it has a silver roll cage, orange chassis, yellow tires, and orange rims. And honestly, I don't really like the way this looks, if I'm being honest. I don't love it. It goes a lot better with this than it does with Gravedigger because the yellow and the orange kind of match up with the flame on it. So it's not terrible, but I don't love it. I think it's just they kind of didn't have anything special to do, so they just decided to do this. It's an okay truck, but so there's Max D. And then Gravedigger. It's the green Ghost Gravedigger, actually. So I don't know, I don't have another one with me right now, but I could go grab one, actually. Let me go grab one. Okay, so looking at my other green Ghost Gravediggers, it does look the same. So there's that, and then it's got a silver roll cage, green chassis, kind of the Gravedigger color green, and then there's also green rims and the yellow tires again. And then this one I think is pretty bad. I think it's worse than the Max D. That sounds kind of harsh, but I feel like the yellow it doesn't make any sense with this. Like, I don't think it looks good having yellow tires on Gravedigger, but that's just my opinion. So, yours might be different. You might love these, but that's just my opinion on this pack. I don't love it. Then the next 2 I do love. The next one I'm going to do is Lumberjack versus Axe. So these are 2 independent trucks. 2 really cool ones, too. And I'm really excited about this one because I actually missed out on getting Axe in Series 29. So this is my chance to actually add one to my collection. So I'm going to open it. So here they both are. And I believe this is actually the second release of Lumberjack and Spin Master Monster Jam. Because I have another one. But, so I believe this is the second release. So here it is. I'm not sure if they made any changes to the body. I'm going to go grab that and show you guys the differences. So here's my other Lumberjack. And printing wise, I can't really see any differences. I believe that it is the same body. Yeah, I believe it's the same body. This one, the one thing I noticed is the decals on this, they're not glossy, they're more like matte finish, I guess. They're more rough looking compared to this, like really shiny. And then the biggest difference is obviously the chassis. This one has an orange roll cage, black chassis, gray rims, and then regular black tires. It's really cool to have another Lumberjack in the collection. So there's that. I believe the hood's the same. Yeah. There's that, and then the one I'm really excited for, axe. So here's this. As I said earlier, I missed out on getting the Series 29 one. I didn't find much of Series 29 at all. I missed out on most of it. The chase piece. I don't remember what else was in it, but I missed out on almost everything in it. So I don't have the original release to compare this to, but it looks pretty similar to the real life axe. There's I think that's like the US flag for the fire department on the roof. There's the axe logo. There's the axe going around the back part, the Monster Jam logo, sponsor sticker, and there's a little logo on the hood. I think it's like a fire mask with 2 axes, kind of like a skull and crossbones, but for a fire truck, I guess. And then there's a red roll cage, black chassis, gray rims, and black tires. So there's that. And then the final one, and another one I'm really excited to get, is Megalodon versus Hooked. So I believe Hooked is maybe in Series 34, which I haven't found any of yet. I saw the crustacean, but I was going to wait to buy that until I find more. Or I might not ever buy it, but I believe Hooked is in Series 34. I haven't found it yet, and I saw this, and I didn't want to miss out on the opportunity to get Hooked. If I already had Hooked, I might pass on the Megalodon, but because I don't have Hooked, I got this. So let's open it. Sorry about that. Sorry. Let me pause for a second. Sorry about that. So let's open it. So here they are. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Megalodon. See, here it is. I don't really have a whole lot of Megalodons with regular body in Spin Master. I've got a lot of variants, but not a ton with the regular body. To me, this does look a little bit different. I'm not sure, but it looks a little maybe darker blue. I can't really tell, though. They might have just changed it slightly to make it a higher quality printing. And then there's also a see-through, there's a see-through blue roll cage, a blue chassis, see-through blue rims, and light blue tires. And it's a pretty cool variant for Megalodon. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Then the one I'm really excited for is Hooked. Now, I'm not sure which came out first, this or the one in the series pack, the singles packs, but I know this is one of the first. There's 2 right now, and this is something that I've been anticipating for a long time, and I'm excited to finally get it. And it looks really cool. So there's like the sea background, the sky, then there's the fish jumping out of the sea, the Hooked logo, the boat back there, the Monster Jam logo, the Hooked monster truck on the back. Other side's the same. Grill printing's nice. There's like sky or sea on the hood, and then on the roof there's the Hooked logo with the hook. It's really cool. Then there's a black roll cage, gray chassis, gray rims, or silver rims, kinda, and black tires. And it would be cool if they ever made a version of it in the SUV form, because that's a pretty cool version of this too. I don't think they're running that anymore, but that was a pretty cool version. But yeah, so that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye.